Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to view anyone's Patreon for free. So this is the Patreon mod right here. And at this post, you can see any post says post is locked, but we have the option to unlock it for free with dev mode. So as you can see, it says activating dev mode. So it says dev mode activated. So now we can see the whole post. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this. So let's get into the video so we can actually get free Patreon access. So what you need to do is type tweakmod.com into the search bar and then type Patreon. Actually, it's on Zoomods. Sorry about that. But yeah, go to Zoomods, type in Patreon, and then just press on it. And before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just got to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store, and this will install it into your device so you can actually view people's Patreon without paying, which is kind of dumb. I don't really see the point in paying for it. So yeah, let's just give it a second here for this to load. And it's going to say missing files, so you just want to download 2 of these apps. You don't have to get all of them. But like TikTok says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. I could do this Underdog Fantasy. Family Island says reach level 10. So I'm going to see you guys later, but just make sure you download 2 of the apps. You're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but that's how to get Patreon access. View all the posts, no more paying. So yeah, it's not really for me, but now that I can view it for free, hey, I'll do it any day of the week, guys. So that's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, that's the website, guys. Zoomods.com. Complete the verification. You're going to be all set. So I'll see you in another one. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super cool. Totally works. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And peace out, brotherhood. This is so cool.